Hello guys, welcome back. We're still doing for today, and today's date is the 23rd of November 2025. We're doing for the tea time, guys. Welcome back. So for the new ones, please guys, please, I'm begging you, don't forget to subscribe, and you can also hit the bell so that whenever I post the video you'll get it, the notification will show you. And for all of us, please don't forget to comment and also like on the video. Please don't forget. You can just comment your numbers, guys, under the video, or you can just say something, or you can just ask anything. I will definitely get back to you. And what else can I say? uh I'll remind you, please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to watch this video. So we are doing for today's tea time. And when I'm watching these numbers, especially for the lunchtime, I think the tea time might be easier for us. I'm still trying to think, where can I start? I'm still thinking. I'm still trying to think something. I think I was about to say something, but I forgot. I don't know what. I was about to say something, but I forgot. I even didn't plan to do this video, but I just thought, you know what? Let me just do the video. Some of you are always looking for these videos, so just thought, let me do one. And yes, here we are. So where can I start, guys? Where can I start? I won't actually analyze the lunchtime because I didn't really put the lunchtime video. So I'll just get straight into the tea time. And don't forget to subscribe for the new ones, and for all of us, don't forget to comment and also like the video. Please don't forget. So I'm going to say we have the conservative numbers there. For those who don't know, or for those who are new here on the channel, the conservative numbers are actually the numbers that actually follow each other in order. Can be 1, 2, can be 9, 10, can be 40, 41, 42, such numbers. So there we have the conservative numbers, which is 10 or 11. So those let me just say 10 plus 11 for once. 10 and 11, if you can say 10 plus 11, I think it's going to give you 21. So what do you think of 21, guys? Do you really think we can actually expect 21 to come? What do you think? Do you really think we can expect 21 to come? I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe we're going to expect 21. Who knows? And again, we also have another conservative number there, which is 24 and 25. You're going to say 24 plus 25 is going to give you 49, right? So do you really think 49 is going to come? I don't think so. I think 49 is far from coming. Even if you check yesterday, this we have 46. The 46 represent 49, so it's impossible for this 24 and 25 to give us 49 again. So rather you have to look for other options. So again, another thing that you can see there, guys, we have a missing number there, which is 12. 12 is your missing number. So it already shows you that maybe 12 or 21 is going to come. That means one number there is highly possible that is going to come. But before we can do the speculations, we always have to target one number and deal with it and try to find the numbers using that number. So today, for the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to deal with this the 13. I'm going to flip a 13, and I think it's going to give me 31, right? It's going to give me 31, and I think I'm going to make 31 my banker. Okay, if I'm saying 31 is coming, 31 is going to affect a lot of numbers. It can affect 23, can affect 32, can affect 30, 29, like such numbers, it can affect them. So I'm thinking, okay, if I'm saying 31 is going to come, I think that 31 is going to come with a 22, right? I'm saying 31 is going to come with a 22. Why do I say 22? Because I'm trying to avoid 23 and sorry, I'm trying to avoid 23 or 32. I'm trying to avoid those numbers. So I'm just going to say, okay, 31 is going to give me 22. So your two numbers for today is a 31 and a 22. If you are looking for two numbers, you can just play 31 and 22 only, right? So we move on. We have a 31 and 22. Okay, 31 is not done. Since I avoided 23 and 32, I'm going to say, how about 30. How about 30? Because we have a 31 there. 30, if we try to flip a 30 into 3, is going to give us a lot of problems. And if we are trying to deal with 30, that means we also have to deal with the 29, and we're trying to avoid those numbers. So since I'm trying to avoid the 29 and the 30 coming, I think those numbers are going to give me 27. So those numbers are going to give me 27. Why don't I say 26? Because we already have 25 there. That means another number that you're going to expect there is going to be 27. Yes, it's going to be 27. So already you have 31, 22, and 27. The numbers that we've already proved is 21, 22, and 27. Remember, why did I bring 27? Because I'm trying to avoid the 29 and the 30. I'm avoiding those numbers. What do I mean by avoiding? I don't want them to come. So in simple English is, I don't want them to come. So if I don't want them to come, that means I have to bring a 27. Okay, that means we have that means we are done with the 31. We are done dealing with the 31. That means we have to go back and then have to say, okay, I'm done dealing with that one, but how can I get 12 or 21 that we got them earlier? So I was thinking, okay, if I'm going to say 20 is going to come, I was going to say this is a small space. I don't like to wrap these numbers, but due to small space, so since we have a 31, 27, 22, I was thinking of bringing a 20 there, right? If I was going to bring 20, 20 was going to lead me to 15, but this might be impossible because we already have 16 there. That 16 doesn't allow me to bring a 15, and again it doesn't allow me to bring a 20. So if it was going to allow me, I was going to say, okay, I'm bringing 20 and 18. And if you can check, yesterday we had 18 and 20 there. We had 18 and 20 there. That means 18 and 20, it won't come. So again, we are cancelling 20. We are cancelling 18. We are cancelling what? Those numbers that I mentioned. So we're going to say we have a 31, 27, 22, and we're going to say we have a missing number there, which is going to be 12, but that 12 is going to flip into 21. So that means you're going to expect a conservative number of 31, 27, 22, and 21. That means you're going to expect something like that. So for three numbers, for someone who's looking for three numbers, you can just say, remember 31 is our bank, you can just say 31, 22, and 21. You can just bet like this. I truly believe 31, 22, and 21 is going to come. Even that 27, I'm still believing 27 is going to come, but just for safety, if you're not sure, you can just play 31, 21, and 22. So if you check there, if you can say 21 and 22, that means we avoided 23. That means 21 is going to affect 20. But since we have a 16 there, we're going to say, okay, we are trying to avoid we are trying by all means to avoid 16. So 18, let me say we are trying to avoid 16, this 16, so 19 and 20, they won't come. I don't know if you are understanding me or what. I think most of people are lost here. They don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm saying if we are trying to avoid this 16, by trying to avoid 16, that means we won't say 19 and 20 are going to come. We are avoiding those numbers. By avoiding, I mean we don't want those numbers to come, and they won't come, right? So it doesn't allow us to go into that direction. So I'm going to say, okay, we have 31, 27, and 22 and 21. So if you can say 21 plus 22 is going to give you 43. It's going to give you 43, which can also be 34. And I don't think 34 is going to come. But what about 43? For us to avoid 43, I think you can just bring 44. I think think 44 is another number that is going to come. We can just bring 44. And what about 42? Because we're trying to avoid that number. That means this 24 there's going to flip into 42, and if it's going to flip, 42 is going to affect 40, but we have 39 there. That means 40 and 41 won't be affected. For another number that is going to come there is going to be 42. That means this 24 is going to flip into 42. Yes, those are the numbers that you're having: 31, 27, 21, 22, 44, and 42. So you are not done. You also have to deal with 21. Remember, whenever you have a certain number, you always have to deal with it. Since 21 won't give us 19 and 20 because of 16, we're going to flip it, and we're going to say, okay, it's possible that we see 12 there, but I don't think a 12 is going to come. Remember, we flipped the 31 and the 12 because we are trying to avoid 11. So rather, we are going to say, okay, that means one number between 10 or 11 is going to come. But which one number there can possibly come, guys? So if you are really thinking really hard, which number between 10 and 11 is going to come? So in order to avoid a lot of things, you can just bring a 10. I will give you the reason. If you can say, okay, I'm bringing this 11, that means you will be forced to say, okay, 10 is going to flip into 1, and you might also expect 9 or 6. You see, it's going to give you a lot of those numbers, and you don't need them right now. So in order to avoid that, just say, you know what, we are going to bring a 10 back, and to avoid 11. That means 11 is not going to come, but one number that is going to repeat there is going to be 10. So guys, overall, if I can say there, these are your numbers, which let me just write them down again. You have, let me write them down again. Please do really watch this video. It's 10. You have 10, 21, 22, 27, 31, 42, and 44. Yes, these are the numbers for today: 10, 21, 22, 27, 31, 42, and 44. And if you can check there, guys, you can notice like there's similar numbers there. If you can check there, that means you can just choose a 10. You can just choose 10 and flip it with a 31 if you are not sure, or you can just choose the 21 with the 31, or you can say 21, 22 with the 31. So I think I've explained enough, guys. This is for today. I'm just hoping it's the jackpot numbers. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe we might be expecting the jackpot there, which is 2, 4, 6, 7. So we have the 7 numbers there. I really believe those numbers are going to come. I'm just hoping we won't be seeing other things. So guys, I'm really praying that we get this number. So I'm just going to bet them. I'll try to pair them, this and that and this and that. So I'll just try to pair for myself, but guys, you can just also pair for yourself. But these numbers, I believe they are definitely going to come. So again, we need your prayers, guys. For those who went to church today, please pray so that those numbers can actually come. So we will talk maybe tomorrow on the lunchtime, or if then some of the numbers get in, I will try to do the video, and we will see where we got those numbers wrong. But good luck.